Today we're gonna make this refreshing summer salad, mango avocado with quinoa. To get started on making our mango avocado and quinoa salad, we're gonna start with 1 cup of quinoa. So just use your favorite quinoa. This one is tricolor. You rinse it, follow the instructions on the package. For mine, I did 2 cups of water, 1 cup of quinoa, and just cook that, let it cool, and then we can get started on our salad. So I have that here. I'm gonna put it in our pretty bowl. So if you're making this for a party, it looks great in this bowl here. We have 1 ripe avocado, dice that right in here. Super easy and refreshing salad. It's a big hit. 1 ripe mango, chop that up. 1/4 of a cup of chopped red onion. And then we have cilantro. So we're gonna put our cilantro right in here. And now we have to make our dressing for this refreshing salad. We're gonna do equal parts olive oil and lime juice. So I have fresh lime juice here, 2 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. A little salt and pepper for taste. Put that. Whisk this together. So healthy, easy, refreshing. And pour this on top. And mix this together. Oh, it smells so good. The cilantro, all our fresh ingredients, nice and colorful. It's all ready to serve. I have some fresh cilantro here. I'm gonna garnish on the top. All set. For the full recipe, visit nikkiklekis.com. Don't forget, like, subscribe, check out my YouTube and my Amazon store for fun, entertaining tips. I'm gonna dig in.